Creating a DAO, or decentralized autonomous organization, is a fascinating concept. A decentralized autonomous organization is a blockchain-based organization where decisions are made collectively by its members without the need for centralized leadership. DAOs are designed to distribute power and ensure transparency, making them ideal for communities, businesses, and projects that value inclusivity and fairness. So what is a DAO? Well, a DAO is an organization governed by smart contracts on a blockchain, where rules are encoded and decisions are made through decentralized voting. The core features include decentralization, meaning there's no central authority and decisions are community-driven. Transparency is another key feature. All activities and transactions are visible on the blockchain. And finally, automation, where smart contracts enforce rules and execute decisions. Why create a DAO, you might wonder? First, community ownership members collectively own and manage the organization. Then, fair governance decisions are made through democratic voting mechanisms. There's also global access, allowing participants from anywhere in the world to join and contribute. And trustless systems, there's no need for intermediaries. Everything is governed by code. Now let's talk about the key components of a DAO. First, the mission or purpose. You need to clearly define the DAO's goal, whether it's funding art projects, managing a community, or investing in crypto. Next, smart contracts. These are the backbone of the DAO, enforcing rules and automating processes like voting and fund distribution. Then the governance mechanism, a system for proposing and voting on decisions, with common methods being token-weighted voting or one member, one vote. The treasury, this is a shared wallet managed by the DAO, holding funds used for projects or operations. And finally, members and tokens. Members typically hold governance tokens, granting them voting rights. How to create a DAO. Step 1. Define the purpose. Determine what the DAO will accomplish, like a music fund, a charity, or a decentralized investment group. Draft a white paper or mission statement outlining the vision. Step 2. Choose a blockchain. Popular options include Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, Solana, and Polygon. Ethereum is the most commonly used blockchain for DAOs due to its extensive developer ecosystem. Step 3. Select a DAO platform. Use a platform that simplifies the process. Aragon offers an easy-to-use toolkit for building and managing DAOs. DAOstack focuses on governance frameworks and decision-making. Colony is great for task-based collaboration and resource allocation. Snapshot is ideal for off-chain governance and voting mechanisms. Step 4. Set up smart contracts. Smart contracts handle membership management, voting and proposals, and treasury operations. Step 5. Design governance and voting. Decide how decisions are made. Proposals allow members to submit ideas or actions for the DAO to consider. Voting can use token-based or role-based systems. Quorum defines the minimum participation required for a decision to pass. Step 6. Fund the DAO. Create a treasury by pooling funds from members. Issue governance tokens to represent ownership or voting power. Use platforms like Gnosis Safe for multi-signature wallets to secure funds. Step 7. Launch and onboard members. Publicly launch the DAO. Distribute governance tokens. Encourage participation and educate members on their roles. Hands-on example, using Aragon. Sign up, visit aragon.org and create an account. Choose a blockchain like Ethereum or Polygon for your DAO. Set up the DAO. Choose a name and define the purpose. Configure governance settings such as token-based voting and member roles. Deploy the DAO. Use a testnet to experiment before going live on the mainnet. Deploy smart contracts to establish the DAO on the blockchain. Invite members. Share governance tokens or voting links with your community. Proposals and voting members submit proposals like funding a project or approving an expense. Use Aragon's built-in voting system to make decisions. Use cases for a DAO. Community governance. Manage shared resources or organize a community around a shared goal. Investment funds pool funds to invest in crypto, startups, or other assets. Charities and grants. Allocate donations transparently to causes or projects. creative collectives, fund and promote art, music, or media projects. Decentralized workplaces manage teams and distribute payments for completed tasks. Benefits of a DAO. Democratic decision-making. Members have equal say in governance, global collaboration, open to anyone, fostering innovation and inclusivity, trust and transparency. Blockchain ensures that all decisions and transactions are verifiable. Scalability. Easily scale from a small group to a global community. Challenges to consider. Coordination issues. Large DAOs can struggle with reaching consensus. Smart contract risks. Vulnerabilities in code can lead to exploits. Regulatory uncertainty. Legal recognition of DAOs varies by jurisdiction. Member engagement. Ensuring active participation can be difficult. Teaching tools and exercises. Simulation. Have students simulate DAO governance by creating mock proposals and voting. Real-world example. Analyze successful DAOs like MakerDAO or Uniswap. Hands-on creation. Guide students through setting up a DAO using Aragon or DAO Stack. Why DAOs are trending. Decentralization hype. DAOs align with the Web3 movement toward a decentralized internet. Transparency demand. Users seek fairer and more transparent governance. Cultural relevance. DAOs empower individuals to create global communities. Ease of access. Platforms like Aragon and Snapshot make creating a DAO simple.